To Carnegie Library. Today it's a Apple store. Taking care of your Apple needs. Right? Carnegie Library, Apple store. Good morning, Sharad. Where the heck are you? I'm at the Carnegie Library. No, I'm not going to read books. All the books are in my little Apple. The Apple was the idea in the past. There was no need for a library any longer because everything is in your pocket. What's in your pocket is not what you got in your fingers. What's in your pocket is profound to your well-being and progress as a human being, as a cerebrally capable being. It's beautifully taken care of, the Carnegie Library from the outside. I shall see you in the afternoon because I have few items to take care of. So here we are at the Carnegie Library Apple store from the outside. I'll just share with you the inside momentarily. I have it. University for the people. In the old days, it was never the case. Beautiful feature, folks. I shall be back soon. Let's go to the Apple Library here in Carnegie Apple Library, Mount Vernon Square. University for the people. Apple. Good old place. Let's see the place. University of the people. Let's go and see. What's there?
We usually have about 7 or 8 sessions a day come up. You want to come back in the future for any more other sessions, you can scan that QR code that's on the screen right there. That'll take you to today.apple.com.
Hey, how are you?
Welcome to the store. Just want to let you know, just one of our store policies.
There's an Apple store. Hello. To Carnegie's Library here. Look at this.